Torrential slide value sort of equivalent to $14.7200 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $14.580 to $14.7500 in a fundamentally large way. The earlier day close, $14.6900 in an unpretentious way. The change was plus 0.0300, plus 0.20%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, USD to Avax in a significant way. Torrential slide value expectation for in the not-so-distant future in month, which certainly is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $14.23, greatest $15.23, beautiful least $13.23, which generally is very critical. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $14.48, truly most extreme $15.49, truly least $13.47, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $14.30, kind of greatest $15.30, sort of least $13.30 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $14.36, most extreme $15.37, exceptionally least $13.35 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $14.46, in every practical sense, most extreme $15.47, fundamentally least $13.45 in an especially significant way. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $14.20, fundamentally most extreme $15.19, especially least $13.21. Genuinely further appearance how in multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $14.46, genuinely greatest $15.47, in every practical sense, least $13.45 in an essentially huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $14.42, genuinely greatest $15.43, kind of least $13.41 in an especially significant manner. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $13.89, lovely most extreme $14.86, truly least $12.92, which basically is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $14.07, sort of most extreme $15.05, truly least $13.09. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $13.98, by and large greatest $14.96, for the most part least $13.00 in a significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $13.12, sort of greatest $14.04, in every practical sense, least $12.20, so the change explicitly was plus 0.0300, plus 0.20% in an every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $12.99, especially greatest $13.90, especially least $12.08, showing that torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $14.48, truly most extreme $15.49, especially least $13.47 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $12.41, extremely greatest $13.28, in every practical sense, least $11.54, exhibiting that torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $13.12, beautiful most extreme $14.04, certainly least $12.20, so the change basically was plus 0.0300, plus 0.20%, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $12.75, fundamentally most extreme $13.64, by and large least $11.86, so torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $12.41, really greatest $13.28, lovely least $11.54, exhibiting that torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $13.12, most extreme $14.04, in every practical sense, least $12.20, so the change certainly was plus 0.0300, plus 0.20% in an essentially significant way. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $12.54, especially most extreme $13.42, essentially least $11.66, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost $12.81. Genuinely most extreme $13.71, genuinely least $11.91 in a fundamentally significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $12.96. Beautiful most extreme $13.87, lovely least $12.05. Pretty further appearance how torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $14.23. In every practical sense, greatest $15.23, kind of least $13.23 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $12.63, extremely greatest $13.51, genuinely least $11.75, showing how torrential slide gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $14.36, truly most extreme $15.37, by and large least $13.35, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $12.34, lovely greatest $13.20, really least $11.48, or so they truly thought. In about a month torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 16, cost $12.28, truly greatest $13.14, least $11.42, which explicitly is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $12.18, sort of greatest $13.03, really least $11.33 in a significant way. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost $12.56, greatest $13.44, for the most part least $11.68, exhibiting that torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $12.99, by and large most extreme $13.90, truly least $12.08, showing that torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $14.48, by and large most extreme $15.49, truly least $13.47 in a kind of enormous manner. USD to AVAX swapping scale really equivalent to 0.0679 coins per $1. Today, S-reach 0.0678 minus 0.0686 amazingly. The past day, S nearby 0.0681, showing how torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $13.12 in every way that really matters. Most extreme $14.04, especially least $12.20, so the change especially was plus 0.0300, plus 0.20%. Change for now 0.0002, 0.29% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 0.070 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.076, especially least 0.066, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.069 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.074, sort of least 0.065. So torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $14.20, most certainly greatest 15.19, really least 13.21, especially further appearance how in multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 20.